Hey guys, Barry with Redact.dev. I am going to do a tutorial today on how to mass remove tagged posts from Facebook all at once. This will save you from having to manually go through everything and remove it one by one. If you use the Redact app for this, you can just set a couple settings, a few clicks, and you can do it all at once, automatically, no problems. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that today. If you don't have Redact downloaded, the free download link is in the video description below. Go ahead and get it. Assuming you do have it, you want to load it up, go over to the left side, choose Facebook. Once you're on the Facebook screen, you want to make sure you're on the tags. I think this is the default posts and comments, but you want to come over, make sure you have tags selected. Make sure your dates are selected to all time, unless you're only trying to do a specific date or date range. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to do all time. So come down, make sure these two guys are clicked, which they are. If you want to single out and target specific keywords, you can put those in here. And if you want to preserve specific keywords, you can put them in here. But for this video, we are going to mass remove all tagged posts. So I'm not going to mess with either one of these. I'm going to go straight to the bottom. So deletion mode is selected, and if I were to start deleting this, it would just immediately start wiping uh, all tagged posts from Facebook immediately. And once that happens, you cannot get them back. So if you're going to use this, be sure you know what you're doing. I recommend using preview mode, the app will give you a preview of the stuff you're going to delete, just so you can make sure, yes, okay, this is definitely what I want to get rid of, and then you can go to deletion mode and do it. But I highly recommend previewing it first. The other option is, of course, select and delete mode. This is sort of a mix between delete and preview mode. It will give you a huge preview of all of the tagged posts, and then you can go through individually and decide for each one what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of. The only downside to this is if you have a lot of Facebook content, a lot of tags, it is going to take a long time to go through it all. It's not as bad as manually, but it is going to be very time consuming. So probably this is what you're going to want to do, preview mode, and then once you confirm all the settings are right, then you go to deletion mode and just wipe everything. So that's it. Those are the three options. It's super easy, super fast, just a few clicks, and you can take care of this task with the Redact app. Um, so again, the download link is in the video description. If you don't already have it, it's free to download. Let me know how it works, and I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.